Hey, it's Gina from WTI. Are you as picky as I am when it comes to putting products on your skin? As I age, I see that my skin is getting more lines and wrinkles and spots. And so I wanted something that would help to give me a fresher look. I was really impressed when I saw the ingredients in the C60 EVO facial serum. This product is so special because it contains the carbon 60 molecule ESS 60. It actually delivers more than 172 times the power of vitamin C. We all know how beneficial vitamin C is for our skin, and this goes above and beyond that. This ingredient helps to brighten and to heal and to just make your skin glow. So what I've noticed after using this for several weeks is that it's helped to decrease redness in my face, it has decreased blemishes, and it has sped up the healing process. I've used it a couple times a day on a burn I got on my arm, and I've noticed that it's healing quickly and the scar is diminishing. Now, even though this serum is made up of oils, it doesn't feel greasy or sticky. I've noticed that it soaks in quickly. It has a very light feel to it, and it's very moisturizing. I use it on my face and my hands. I even use it on my hair. It has ingredients that are good for your scalp, and it helps to cut down on flyaways. And then I like to breathe in the smell as well from my hands because the rosemary in it has some really amazing aromatic benefits. My friends have noticed how well my skin is looking, how it's just glowing and looks radiant, and it's given me the confidence to not wear a lot of makeup. In fact, I'm not wearing foundation today, and I feel just great and confident being out in public. I really like this product, and that's my point of view.